Okay, so and there is a in my this presentation, there is a distinct toothpaste pattern of the bullet was obtained during the one crime scene, and then I have worked on it, and the same type of the pattern as a typical pattern like a toothpaste pattern I have got during the experimental firing when it was fired through the glass target. Shooting cases, generally in shooting cases, crime scene, there is a lot of projectiles we are getting at the scene of crime. But generally, the fired bullet getting from the scene of crime intact and compare, and in the laboratory, they are easy to compare and say that this bullet has been fired from a particular gun or particular weapon. But some problems arising when the bullets are not intact or they are been fragmented. In that case, the problem rises to the forensic ballistic expert or crime scene investigator or law enforcement agencies. So in this case, I have reported one case, the forensic analysis of 8 mm soft nose bullet fired through a standard .315 sporting rifle, fired through different thickness of the glass sheet. And after getting in the bullet recovery box, we got a typical toothpaste pattern. Generally, crime scene manager, crime scene investigator, or forensic expert are not giving their attention why this bullet has been curved or why this bullet has been mushroomed. So I did a lot of works on this case. So I have given this nomenclature to this type of the bullet is a toothpaste pattern. So it's like a toothpaste, and mushroomed inward the lead core was obtained in the laboratory for examination. So it is a very interesting study. After when we fired through a number of 8 mm bullet through the .315 sporting rifle, it was highlighted that the lead core and jacketed portions are separated from each other in the cotton field bullet recovery box. That means there is also a reason, scientific reason is that due to the heavy weight or density is more of the lead core than the jacketed portion. That's why this lead core we are getting far away from the jacketed portion. So what is the difficulty before the examiner when such type of the bullets are recovered from the scene of crime? So that interpretation and correlation of this element become very difficult task for the firearm examiner or the crime scene investigator. So in this case, we are getting distinct toothpaste pattern of the lead core of Indian manufactured in Kirki factory. This type of the bullet generally used for the sporting rifle, for the animal hunting. So this is the 8 mm soft nose bullet. It is also known as a soft pointed bullet. This has been examined by me in the laboratory. So experimental data reported in this study may be helpful for the firearm expert, crime scene manager or investigator and related investigating agencies in future to correlate and interpret the evidence found at the shooting cases. So at the scene of crime, there is a number of, we are getting wide number of the bullets projectile from the scene of crime when fired in shooting incidents. There are number of cases we are getting intact bullet from the scene of crime. So generally, when the intact bullets are getting, the firearm examiner may compare the test fired bullet directly with the question bullet whose type and behavior are to be determined. The examination becomes very easy for the firearm examiner when the bullets are intact, not in a deformed or distorted or mutilated condition. When some portions of the bullet, such as missing jacket, lead core, priming composition, VAT, etc., are collected from the scene of crime or are recovered from the body of the victim or the target, the identification of this component becomes very, very significant. What is the significance in this study? These studies may have been conducted in different projectiles on different targets, by the Indian ammunition, employing the well-known techniques, and this study has been number of target and on the projectile hit on the different target materials are available. But this type of the study, nobody has did this. So the scope of the present study here, we have the behavior and typical pattern of the laid core fire through the glass target has been examined. Then here, what material and methods we have used here in this research. Here we have taken 8 mm soft nose bullet fired through the sporting rifle that is called 315 with a high velocity rifle, and this is manufactured by the Kirki factory Pune, and we have used target as a uncoated borosilicate glass of a different thicknesses that I have been given in the given table, and the distance this borosilicate glasses has been taken as a window pane 1 feet by 1 feet with a thickness different thickness as a target. So this is the 8 mm bullet. Soft nose bullet, here is a soft nose bullet is there, and this is a bolt action sporting gun which a rimmed cartridge here, and if we open it, you see here there is a soft nose bullet, then there is a smokeless powder, and there is empty cartridge case with a percussion cap at this side. So this is the complete assembly of a ammunition. Then glass sheet was kept in a right angle to the muzzle end of the gun, fixed on a heavy wooden carrier table. The arrangement was made easy by fixing, and removal of the glass was made after firing. It is easy to fixing and removal of the glass. We have made such an arrangement so that we can do a number of firing in a small time. The distance between muzzle end of the firearm and the glass target was kept 4.5 meters, but the distance between muzzle and the target is 4.5 meters. So then we have used here target as a different thickness of the glass sheet, and after firing through this 8 mm bullet through this sporting rifle, we generally get most of the cases in 0.315 bullet or 8 mm bullet. These are the typical toothpaste pattern of the lead core, and jacketed portion was recovered in the roll absorbent cotton after passing through the glass sheet to ascertain whether the resistance of the glass plate led to any fragmentation or distortion of the bullet nose or not. So this is the table we are using. I have used here 2 mm thickness of the glass, 4 mm thickness, 6 mm thickness, 8 mm, 10 mm, and 12 mm thickness. After firing through this 8 mm bullet through this 315 sporting rifle, we are getting the lead core separated, and their jacketed portions are separated. So their length of the lead core and jacket portions also, you see there are little bit changes are there, because it depends upon how the loss of kinetic energy inside the target. Then result and discussion. The heavy weighted lead core was found far ahead in the bullet recovery box as compared to its fully and partially fragmented jacketed portion. Due to less amount of weight, the jacket portion far back ahead, and the lead core is ahead of the jacketed portion. This may be due to the center of gravity, hence the energy lost by the lead core is more than the jacketed portion. That is why the typical toothpaste pattern shape of the lead core with mushroom shape bent at the middle portion. That means mushroom portion of the jacket portions are mushroom inwards. So I will show you in this my next. You see there is a empty jacket is there. Here is after fire jacket. There is a jacket portion there is an inward mushroom, and this is the lead core make like a toothpaste pattern. So this is the typical pattern we get through this 8 mm bullet fired through the 315. Not any other weapons. I have fired number of weapons, but this type of the weapon, this type of the toothpaste pattern, we are getting after fire through the soft nose bullet through the sporting rifles only. So that this is a typical phenomena happen with a 8 mm sharp nose bullet fired through the 315 sporting rifle. This type of phenomena may be formed as soon as the sharp nose bullet, especially lead core bullet, penetrate brittle target material such as glass, bakelite. So mostly this glass pattern, we are getting this pattern. So this is the shape like a toothpaste. This idea was when this toothpaste pattern. Why this idea come to in my mind? So I thought this shape is like a toothpaste. So I have given this nomenclature to this bullet is a toothpaste pattern. So what is why the reason of this toothpaste pattern? So our forensic scientists or investigator should think scientifically says that what is the reason behind it. So I concluded that this during this firing phenomena or after firing through the glass target, maximum amount of kinetic energy to penetrate the glass target, and the shape of the lead core then develop the toothpaste pattern. That means more amount of energy to penetrate the target, energy utilized to penetrate the target, and during this loss of the energy, this lead core becomes a bend, and small this front portion becomes a just like a mushroom, little bit mushroom, and it's become a toothpaste like. So during perforation of the plate in the glass target, fine sharp edges of the glass particle moved backward with high velocity. That means after firing through the glass, when the bullet goes to the glass target, the fine sharp edges of the glass particle comes backward side also in a conical shape. So this shape of the toothpaste pattern is unique in nature and only observed when 8 mm sharp nose bullet are fired through the glass sheet using high velocity sporting rifle. At a crime scene, the firearm expert, investigating officers, or examiner should be aware about the shape of projectiles after passing through the various brittle and solid targets. So that means brittle targets and solid target give the different type of the fired bullets. It should be noted by the forensic expert. So it may be the projectile may be get fired through the brittle target or solid target. It depends upon the case to case. In the case of shooting incident through glass target, the present study may be useful for forensic investigators. It is pertinent to mention that the few glass sheets were broken in small pieces and shattered down after hit. Not every glass has been intact and fired through the glass. Some of the glass sheets are broken broken itself, and it has been fell down. But how the holes of the glass target has is there. So you see after fire through the whole glass, you see here, these are the different photographs of 8 mm bullet. You see there is also a research point here also because this is the petal like shape. This is the petal like shape you see here, and this type of the shape or this type of the petal shape are only formed in the 8 mm bullet fired through the glass target by the sporting rifles only. So there is also we can do the research on these aspects also, because this sharp nose bullets is a typical in nature after fired through the glass target. The hole also a typical. You see holes of this target is also typical in nature. You see here. So I have used the general plain glass as well as coated glass also. So these are the coated glass. We are getting this petal like or flower type like the marks you see, and there is a mist region, mirror region of this hole. So that will be also a point of the research topic. So here we have used dimensions. This is weight of the 8 mm bullet, 239.2 grams. Standard length of the jacketed portion is 27.8. Standard length of the core at the nose is 30.9 mm, and distance between glass sheet and 4.5 meters. Thank you. If you have any question, please ask me.
Thank you, Doctor.
So, sir, this type of the pattern phenomena pattern is typically getting from the scene of crime. So, we forensic scientists we are not thinking scientifically that this what is the reason behind it, why this type of the patterns are formed at the scene of crime. So we should be very careful at the scene of crime when such type of the projectile or fire bullet getting from the scene of crime. Thank you, sir.